Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Land in Email. My name is MD Faraz and in this video we are going to talk about how to create a list. So it's pretty simple guys. When you buy the software, you could see you have to create a list first. If you don't create a list, if you try to click on contacts, segments or even on the forms, it tells you to first create a list. Let's say what kind of list. Okay, let's say you have the people where you want to retarget them. Let us say you own an e-commerce business and now you want to send them product catalogs, or you want to keep following up with them. Let's say you own a SaaS company where the people have tried your free trial for 7 days. So within that 7 days you want to send them sequence emails, try to convert them into sales. So there are many use cases. It depends on you guys what exactly you want to do. So let's say I just want to create a list. So once you click on the list, you have to fill out this form. Let's say I will fill over here free trial list. It's basically a list name where all your subscribers will be uploaded, okay, whether by manually or there is a method where you can import all your subscribers. Then you can select this. You can basically change this. Currently I will select from email as this, and from name as this. Company and organization I will keep X company, okay, and even this and all, okay. So see, there is an option called settings where it is telling you to switch on, okay, send subscription confirmation email. Let us give an example that you have embedded a form in your website, and whenever your lead fills out the form, you want to send them an a confirmation email, or let's say you want to send them a final email. So you can turn on over here, but I wouldn't recommend that. So as of now we'll keep this as switch off, and you can always make sure to click on use all sending servers, okay, because you might not be having just one SMTP. You will be connecting multiple SMTPs. So make sure you are going to click on this use all sending servers, then just save on, just click on save. Okay, so it's asking me for the contact details. Okay, currently we'll put this and we'll save it. So the list is done. Once the list is done, then you can there are plenty of options what you can do. Just click on a subscriber and you can manually fill out each lead over here, or what you can do, you can just click on import and see, let's say you have 1,000 subscribers, leads, so you want to import over here. What you have to do is very simple guys. You have to make sure they are in this format. Let me just make and show it. It's pretty simple. Doesn't matter in which format they are. Before importing, make sure they are in this particular format what I am doing currently. Let us say first name and last name, okay. So let's put any email over here, mmfaz@gmail.com. let me put another mail. So I'll put here MD, and over here same goes here. So this is the list. We'll save this as test. So guys, doesn't matter how many leads you have, 10, 20, 30, 100,000, it doesn't matter. But when you are importing in landing email, make sure that your list should be in this format: email, first name, last name, and after that, if you want their age, country, or something like that, you can just put on over here. So always make sure, once you make this kind of list in this format, always go click on file, download always in the CSV format. So it's done. What I will do is I will just click on start importing, and very simple, it's done. It will show up that CSV file was uploaded successfully. Then we'll click on next, start importing. See, very simple, it's done. So once it is done, just give a refresh, view all. See, once you added your leads to this list, then you can segment it. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how you could segment, how you can create forms, email verification, campaigns, automations. So in this video, it is all about this. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.